para bigyan po tayo ng short talk. Tinatawagan ko po ang ating University President from Quezon City University, Dr. Teresita V. Atienza.
To our visionary leader, to our visionary and supportive City Mayor, Mayor Joy Belmonte, our majority floor leader, and Councilor Ali Medalla, esteemed members of the Quezon City Council, our dedicated department heads and leaders of Quezon City local government, the hardworking employees of Quezon City Hall who keep our city moving forward. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Every institution has a story of beginnings, but the true measure of an institution lies in its trajectory. When we look back at where Quezon City University started, we remember a modest local institution deeply committed to a single vital mission, providing educational access. In those early days, QCU operated with only 5-degree programs, served a student population of little over 6,000, and possessed no institutional accreditation or major national recognition. We began as an open door for those who needed it most. But as we look at what we have built today, we see the living embodiment of our grandest transition, mula access hanggang sumakses. When we talk about access, we mean it in the most concrete, everyday terms. And we cannot speak of access without honoring a program that has become a vital lifeline of our community, the Quezon City Libreng Sakay, because our city government has ensured that all QCU campuses are strategically integrated as designated stops along the official QC bus routes. Our city government did not just promise an education, but literally provide the free, safe, and reliable ride that brings our students straight to our gates. Tunay nga na mula access hanggang sumakses. Let us look at our journey towards advanced academic quality. We have transitioned from an institution without accreditation to a well-respected institution of higher learning, boasting Level 3 accreditation for our key programs, entrepreneurship, IT, and industrial engineering. QCU's institutional recognition from CHED gave structural stability and paved the way for massive growth, allowing us to project an enrollment of almost 12,500 students this August. Because of our Level 3 accreditation status, we are incredibly proud to announce that we will be officially offering the Master in Entrepreneurship program, both academic and professional track, starting this year. Also in our immediate development pipeline are the Master of Engineering, Major in Industrial Engineering, and the Master in Information Technology that we are working to offer by next school year. This rapid academic expansion proves that our students are no longer just entering an accessible college, they are entering a multi-tiered competitive university engineered for their ultimate professional victory. This is the very definition of mula access hanggang sumakses. QCU achievements, however, stretch far beyond the traditional classroom. Our Urban Agriculture Initiative, famously known as Joy is a Farm, has proudly taken the global stage. It was recognized at the 2025 CityNet SDG Awards in Denpasar, Indonesia, where it was adjudged second place overall among the top 3 winners and took home the Breakthrough Innovation of the Year award. Furthermore, we stand tall as a global finalist in the prestigious International Association of Horticulture Producers World Green City Awards 2026, with the final deliberation and judging this October in Hong Kong, China. Our environmental leadership was further showcased when QCU received the coveted Water Warrior Award for Education during the World Water Day PH Awards 2025, making history as the first local university to receive this recognition. We didn't just give our communities access to green spaces. We showed them how to succeed in sustainable development. This demonstrable community impact has earned us the trust of international development partners. QCU has proven to be a highly trusted vehicle for real-world transformation, becoming a proud two-time recipient of the prestigious USAID Education Development Center grant. For our initial grant for the training of barangay leaders to our second milestone grant to support out-of-school youth, we have consistently delivered on our promises that the USAID awarded QCU the titles of Most Outstanding Youth Champion in NCR and Most Innovative Extension Program Award in support of out-of-school youth development. Building directly upon this grassroots success and in close collaboration with our Barangay and Community Relations Department, this momentum led to the landmark establishment of our Speaker Feliciano Belmonte School for Governance. Through this, we proudly launched our pioneer program for barangay leaders, offering a rigorous 4-module curriculum covering vital competencies in leadership, public management, public finance, and evidence-based policy and decision-making. We open our arms to our community leaders and marginalized sectors alike, and we guide them until they triumph. As we look toward the future of technology and industries, QCU has aggressively integrated into the national innovation ecosystem. Through our strategic partnerships with the Department of Science and Technology, we established the Advanced Manufacturing Center and the DOST Innovation Hub. We are also an active part of the Project Smart Approaches to reinvigorate agriculture and industry in the Philippines with the University of the Philippines, Los Baños, to bolster agriculture through smart technologies. Our Innovation and Technology Support Office was recognized as a silver awardee by the Intellectual Property Office of the Philippines for its exceptional achievements in intellectual property promotion and protection. These technical frameworks ensure that our students are future-ready, translating basic academic access into undeniable economic and professional success. If you need further proof of the world-class caliber of our students, look no further than our phenomenal QCU robotics team. They emerged as champions of the Philippines VEX Robotics Tournament 2 years in a row, which qualified and enabled them to proudly raise the Philippine flag at the VEX World Robotics Championships in Dallas, Texas in 2025, and then again in St. Louis, Missouri last April, where they secured an even higher global ranking. Our students are living proof that a local university can take young minds from the grassroots of Quezon City and place them on the global stage of STEM innovation. O diba, mula access talagang sumakses? All of these milestones are not accidental. They are the tangible results of an intentional, visionary, institutional direction made possible to the leadership and participatory governance of Mayor Joy Belmonte and our councilors who sit in the Board of Regents. Under our updated Institutional Development Plan for 2026-2031, QCU's unifying vision is clear: to be an internationally recognized local university committed to innovation and sustainability to achieve positive social impact. The vision is fully validated by our steady ascent into the global higher education landscape, including consecutive rankings in the prestigious Times Higher Education Impact Rankings in 2024 and 2025, and our inclusion in the World University Rankings for Innovation. Today, I stand before you to declare that Quezon City University is not just expanding access. It is actively building excellence, fostering cutting-edge innovation, and driving profound social impact. We have evolved into a premier social mobility institution for Quezon City, marked by a rapidly growing local, national, and international visibility. We have proven that public education can be both radically inclusive and without hesitation, excellent. On Monday, June 30, we will see 2,498 Q citizens graduate at the Smart Araneta Coliseum. 44.6% of them, or 1,115, are first-generation graduates. Inclusivity at its core. Sila pa lang po ang unang miyembro ng kanilang pamilya na tatanggap ng diploma. Also, this year marks the first graduates of BS Entrepreneurship. 8 po sa mga nasa male dorms ay magsisipagtapos sa Quezon City University. 14 ang gagraduate naman sa female dorm. With the unwavering support of our city leadership and the entire City Hall family in particular, we'd like to extend our deepest gratitude to our active partners in Quezon City government. Lahat po ng department head na nandito ngayong pag tinitignan ko ay naging very helpful at collaborative sa QCU. Mula sa City Budget, City Legal, mula sa Office ni City Administrator, si EAU, si Youth Development Office, Quezon City Public Library, PESO, andun si Batoy, nasa likod lang namin lagi, kasi 99% ang employability ng mga Quezon City graduates. Si GSD, lagi ko pong nalalambingan si Ate Fe sa mga pangangailangan. City Health, City Architect, si Ma'am Mimi, siyempre lagi ko pong kinukulit si Engineer Dale kasi po gagawain na ang aming student center. Maraming salamat po. Your collaborative spirit and unwavering support have provided the direct access for our programs to thrive. In QCU, we took the raw mandate of opportunity and refined it into global competitive triumph. As we celebrate these milestones, we remember the foundational truth of our existence. Ang tagumpay ng QCU ay tagumpay ng Lungsod Quezon. Maraming salamat po sa ating lahat at patnubayan tayo ng Diyos.
Maraming salamat po once again ang ating pong University President from Quezon City University, Dr. Teresita V. Atienza.